Hello and welcome, all like two of you. Well, if you want to see this, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cream Beige. Now I'm going to bake using the AOA Perfect Setting Powder in Translucent. While I let that sit, I use my broken palette. Don't judge me. The NYX In Your Element Fire palette, and I use this black shade and this brown shade. I don't usually carve out my brows with like concealer or anything. I ran out of concealer, that's why I didn't use it, but I don't usually carve out my brows or anything because I'm lazy. Now that we're done with the brows, I'm gonna dust away the powder and set everything else. Now I'm going to use the Pokey Powder Contour Palette, and I'm going to use mainly this shade right here. Now to deepen the contour a little bit more, I'm going to use this shade. Now that I've done it on the other side as well, I'm going to take whatever's left on my brush and put it on my jaw and my chin. Now I'm going to contour my nose with the middle shade. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, the darker shade, and I'm going to put it on the bottom of my nose. Now I'm going to take from the top middle shade, I'm going to highlight the sides of my nose under the contour. Now I'm going to blush with Jane B Pure Mineral Blush. Just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. My nose. That's not my nose. My chin. My chin and my nose. I recreated It's Likely Makeup Jordis look. I'm taking the yellow in the NYX palette that we used earlier, and then I'm mixing it with another yellow from Viseart, taking Editorial Brights palette, and I'm going to put it on the inner top portion, or inner crease, I guess. I don't know how YouTubers do this. Well, I guess they have that that mirror on a desk where you flip it and it's like magnetized or something. I'm assuming they have that, so they don't have to hold a mirror to their face. I don't think I'm covering my face. We'll see. I'm gonna take the orange in this palette right here, and I'm going to put it next to the yellow. I don't know how to explain things. As you can kind of tell, it's in the crease, but in the middle. Now I'm gonna take this red from the NYX palette and I'm going to put it on the outer part in like a wing sort of shape. I feel like yellows on my skin don't really show up very well, or I don't know. I really want to try the sugar pill yellow. I think it's called buttercup or something, but I heard it's really good, so I really want to try it. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to start using this light blue shade right here. You want to put the blue on the inner portion of your eyelid, but not all over. I think this side is higher than this side, but that's fine. Now I'm going to take the darker blue shade and put that in after the light blue shade. I put it to the end of my eyelid. Now I'm taking this Smashbox mini box palette and I'm going to use the shade Ultramarine. I think this blue shade right here, or the darker blue. And I'm going to put that on the rest of the cut crease. On my Instagram post, I wanted to put glitter on the line between the red and the blue, but I didn't. So I think I want to do that this time. Wish me luck. I'm gonna take this Duo lash glue and a small angled brush and line the cut crease. And using the brush, the flat brush, and the blue eyeshadow and just dusting it away, or dusting the glitter away. I used this glitter, I don't think I said it, by Bitsy. It's by Bitsy and it is nail and body glitter. Not sure if it's eye safe, but I use it anyways. I don't recommend it. Now I'm going to take a Muse liquid liner to do a wing. I would want to do pencil liner, you know, waterline, before I do eyeshadow on the bottom, but I never remember. This is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Now I'm going to take the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I I'm doing this. I don't know why, I feel like it makes a difference because it gets cold. Now I'm going to take the Beauty Creations highlighter palette and I'm using, oh my god. It's broken. This always happens to me. I always. Anyways, I'm gonna use the shade Sweet Sparkle that is covered in broken pieces of heaven. Great. Love that. I love that for me. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with that shade and pretty much my whole face. I'm so sad. The tip of my nose. Through my nose. And I'm gonna take a different brush and highlight my cheek. We love a blinding highlighter palette that's broken. This one didn't break. It's the one that dropped, but it's fine. She's fine. Cupid's bow, my chin. I think someone's home. I really want to try using this one. I haven't worn it in a long time. It is Sentimental by The Balm. Oh my god, it's so bright. I don't know about this one, Chief. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it. I don't really feel like taking it off, so I'm gonna use Barracuda by ColourPop. Just to try and tone it down. That turned out like shit. It was all going well until I booked it. Maybe I'll try to add 2020 by AOA. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just gonna stop here before I start just messing everything up. Well, here's the finished look. I don't know what to say. If you made it this far, then thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I guess I'll see you another time.